Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear children, heartily welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. So let us continue the circle in second part. We see how can you derive the equation of circle. What is the derivation? Center radius form. See, equation of a circle. Equation of a circle when coordinates of the center and radius are given. See, we have two parts here. Right here, find or derive, find the equation of a circle short form with center 0, 0 and radius r. Okay, radius is r. See, equation of circle when coordinates of center is given, center and radius are given. Center is take 0, 0. Next part you take center h comma k. Okay. So I draw the figure here. X axis, y axis, O is the origin. 0, 0 is the center. The first part. Find the equation of a circle with center origin, that is 0, 0 and radius is r. Let P, you take P, x, y, be any point on circle. Join OP, take OP equal to R. Let solution, let O 0, 0 be the center of a circle. Okay, correct. Let P x, y be, you take first quadrant, you take any quadrant, it will come same answer. You take first quadrant, both positive. Any point on the circle, let P any point on the circle. Join OP, take OP is equal to radius, this becomes OP, therefore OP becomes R, means radius of the circle, correct. OP is nothing but join OP becomes radius of the circle. You know radius is nothing but the distance from any point on the circle to the center of the circle by distance formula. What is by distance formula here? OP is equal to, we know distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. OP x1 y1, this is x2 y2. OP is nothing but here given R is equal to square root of x2 minus x1. x2 is nothing but x minus x1 is nothing but 0 whole square plus y2 is nothing but y minus y1 is nothing but 0 whole square. So R is equal to square root of x minus 0 is x square plus y minus 0 is y, this is y square. Okay. SOBS means squaring on both sides. This becomes R square is equal to root get cancel x square plus y square, implies x square plus y square is equal to R square, which is the equation of circle, with center origin means 0, 0 and radius r. See, this is first part first. Both are center is given, radius is given. Here center is origin and radius is r. The equation of circle is x square plus y square equal to r square. This is standard equation of circle. Center is origin and radius is r. So suppose we take center h comma k, means both positive. Suppose shift the circle center in the first quadrant, other any quadrant. It will not come to 0, 0 if we take any quadrant. So second part is you pause the video and take this first part. The second part is find the equation of circle or derive the equation of the circle. Find the equation of a circle with center h comma k and radius r. Okay, center given here h comma k. Center is given h comma k. Hence means which is a first quadrant. This is center. Center means h comma both are positive, no, first quadrant. Same. Take P any point x comma y on the circle. Join OP. Here is origin. Once again, C h comma k be a center of a circle. Correct. Let P h x comma y be any point. What is the figure you write here? Be any point on the circle. Join OP. Therefore, OP becomes radius of the circle. Okay. Once again by distance formula. Once again by distance formula. What is distance formula? C, not C, the O. This is CP, not OP. CP. Join CP, not origin. CP is C is there, no, center. By distance formula, CP is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. CP is nothing but r. See the figure, radius here. CP is nothing but r. Square root of this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Distance formula. x2 minus x1, x2 is nothing but x minus x1 is nothing but h whole square plus y2 is nothing but y minus y1 is nothing but k whole square. SOBS, squaring on both sides. What happens here? This is equal to r square x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. This is implies x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, which is equation of straight line, center radius form, center radius form. What is center here? Where C is center h comma k and radius is r. This is the equation of circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. This is the equation of circle, standard equation of circle. Center is h comma k and radius is r. Okay, this also center radius form. In previous also center radius form. Suppose put h equal to 0 and k equal to 0. Again this becomes x square plus y square is equal to r square. Again origin equation. Okay, these two are the derivation equation of circle. Let us see some observations. What is the observations here? The first observation is circle passes through the origin. If the circle passes through the origin, what is the condition? Observe here, observation 1. I explain each and every one. Suppose this is circle passing through the origin. Like this circle, x-axis, this is y-axis. It's center lies on actually x-axis. If circle passing through the origin, like you draw like this, center lies on x-axis. Suppose you can draw like this, passing through the origin, center lies on the y-axis. Circle passing through the origin is nothing but x comma y. Suppose you take circle equation like this, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to some r square. If this circle is passing through the origin, nothing but put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. What happens here? So suppose center lies on origin is different, x square plus y square r square, but center lies on something x-axis and passing through the origin. Here given, for example, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Okay. Observe here, circle passes through the origin. Circle does not pass through the origin and the center lies on x-axis. So many conditions are here. Suppose the circle is passing through the origin, what happens here? Radius becomes some constant. For example, this becomes 0, this becomes x square plus, this becomes k square equal to r square. R square is equal to x square plus, means r square is some constant. If circle passing through the origin, suppose circle passing through the origin and lie on the x axis and y axis, that is different condition. That time if lies on x axis, y coordinate is 0, that time k becomes 0. We see in the problems detail. Okay, this is circle passing through the origin, this condition. So observe here, circle does not pass through the origin and the center lies on x axis. Circle does not pass through the origin, but center lies on which axis? X axis. This is circle, center lies on x axis. See, circle equation we know that x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Observe here, this is circle, it's not passing through the origin for second observation, but center lies on x axis. Any center lies on x axis in the form h comma 0, because the point lies on x axis, y coordinate is 0, k is 0 here. Put k equal to 0, what happens here? X minus h whole square equal to 0, y square equal to becomes r square, because this h is as it is, k is 0 here, y coordinate is 0, h comma k is equal to 0, put k equal to 0, y minus 0 is y, this is y square. This is becomes equation of circle. There is no h term if the circle passing through the, circle not passes through the origin and center lie on x axis. This is center lies on x axis. Circle passes through the origin and x axis as a diameter. Suppose circle passes through the origin. See, observe here, this is, observe neat each and every observations. When I start the problems, the problems asking find the equation of circle, center passing through the origin, center lies on x axis or center lies on y axis, center not passing through origin. So many problems are there, conditions are there. Just this is observations only. Details we see when we start the problems. What is the third observation? Center of the circle is origin. Center of the circle is origin already over. If the center of the circle is origin, very simple, just to be complete theorem, no? The equation of a circle is x square plus y square equal to r square, where r is the radius, O is the origin, this is P is any point. This is equation of a circle. Center of the circle is origin. This is the condition, this is the observation. Circle touches the x axis. If only circle touches the x axis, what is the observation? Circle touches x axis. This is x axis, this is y axis. Circle touches the x axis. This is circle touches the x axis. This is the becomes radius. If circle touches x axis, so what is this value? No, that is the radius of this circle. This is the figure of circle touches either x axis or y axis. We see problems again, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square taking. If the circle touches x axis, this length and this length both are same, means the radius is same here. Y value, y is nothing but k. K same here, this is also y. This becomes here h comma k. Here is k, no, radius becomes k. So put x minus h whole square plus y minus k is nothing but again here k, h is nothing but again k whole square, r is nothing but again this becomes k square. Simplification will got equation of straight line. If touches the x axis, circle touches the y axis. Similarly, reverse this one, circle touches the y axis. Circle touches the y axis. So here you take this is what is here, no, h comma k. Here h is becomes radius, not k. So the circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Observe here, this is the radius. Radius is nothing but here h. Instead of h, x minus, instead of h you write r square. Otherwise instead of r you write h, no problem. Instead of r you write h, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to this is h square. Otherwise instead of h you write r, because h is nothing but r. We can write same value. Then simplify, we will get equation of circle. That circle touches the y axis. Circle touches the both axis. What happen? If the circle touches both the axis, x axis as well as y axis, like this, the figure like this, y axis, this is x axis. See, in the figure circle touches both axis, h comma k. Here, observe here, if circle touches both axes, that time becomes h equal to k equal to r. Circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Here hk, this is the k, this is h. Also these are becomes radius of the circle. Both are all three are same. Substituting in each values, x minus h, instead of h I write r whole square plus y minus write r square, this is equal to r square, all r. Simplify this one, we will get the equation of circle. This is the condition for the circle touches the both axes. Interesting observations are here. I show you each observations by drawing the figure. So let us we start next session. Problems are very interesting. You remember all the conditions, draw the neatly figure. It touches x axis, y axis or both axes, centralize on origin, touches x axis and centralize on x axis, passing through the origin and centralize on y axis, and these are all our conditions. Let us next class we start some important problems, equation of circle, given conditions, and what you see the observation here related some observations problems. Okay, continue next section. Thank you for watching and keep watching. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.